My dear students, I am Bimla Kumawat, your English teacher. We are doing chapter 4. Okay, the trumpet of the swans. Today we will do exercise of page number 42. Okay, everyone please open page number 42. Now pay attention. Everyone listen to me carefully. Exercise A. Match the sentence part to complete the sentences. Part A, part B. There are two parts. You have to match them. Okay, with part B. Then identify whether the verb be is used as a main verb or an auxiliary verb. Main verb या auxiliary verb है, ये आपको mention करना है. Okay. Now see in part 1 first. Mr. Girish is. Okay. Now in from part B it is B. Mr. Girish is a teacher in our school and is a main verb. Okay. Now 2. Sheila and Suraj were working. Now in part B it is E. On the science project. Sheila and Suraj were working on the science project. Were is a auxiliary verb. Now 3. The match was a draw. A draw means बेटा मैच ड्रॉ हो गया, मतलब कि मैच कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, दिस इज मैन वर्ब. वॉज इज मैन वर्ब. शी इज प्लानिंग टू कम टू द डांस शो टुमारो. क्या प्लान कर रही है? टू कम टू द डांस शो टुमारो, कि कल डांस शो पे आना है. ओके, सो इन दिस ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इट इज. Now the elephant is searching. Elephant search कर रहा है. What he is searching? The elephant is searching for its lost calf. Lost calf मतलब अपने खोए हुए बच्चे को खोज रहा है. And it is auxiliary verb. Now the children are for its it is 6 busy with homework. The children are busy with homework. Main verb. R is main verb. Okay, now do in your book. If you don't have book, then you can do in your notebook. Now next, page number 43. Now listen to me carefully. B exercise. Write the auxiliary verbs in bracket in the correct place in the sentences. Okay, we working on this project together. Now B. Now see, this is done for you. We are working on this project together now. Now see B. I doing my homework last night when the power went off. B. What will come? I was doing. यहाँ पे I के ऊपर क्या आएगा? Was. WAS was. Okay. I was doing my homework last night when the power went off. Now see. She feeling well and is absent today. B not. Now see. She is not feeling well. She is not feeling well and is absent today. Now D. They dash at home when we called. B not. Now see. They were not at home when we called. They were not at home when we called. Now 2. Next. See. A. He is careful with his diet and eat oily food. Do not. He is careful with his diet and does not eat oily food. Now B. Yes, Sikha and Vikram enjoy watching Hindi films. Do. Yes, Shika and Vikram do watching Hindi films. Now their mother dash like films which have fight scenes. Do not. Their mother does not like films which have fight scenes. D. When he spoke rudely, I dash tell him that it was not right. Do. So answer is when he spoke rudely, did tell him that it was not right. Now 3. He can't go home because he got permission. Have not. he can't go home because he has not got permission. Now B, they written to say they like the gift very much. Have. Now answer, they have written to say they like the gift very much. C, you can cut the jackfruit now because it become ripe. Have. Answer, you can cut the jackfruit now because it has come ripe. Now D, but we dash been invited. How can you go? Have not. But we have not been invited. How can we go? Okay. Now please fill this exercise in your book. And next exercise.